Ladies and gentlemen, General Manager, Emerging Technologies at AppDynamics, Pratap Dendi.
Give it up for the DJ, guys. That was awesome. Are we having fun? I can't hear you. Are we having fun? Oh, now we're here. It's great. Welcome back to the general session. Yesterday, we had a fantastic opening session, and we're doing something new. If you haven't figured out already, with a cool DJ and beers in your hands, this is something we're doing new. Every year, and this is my third AppSphere. The first one was as a partner and a presenter. And the second one was my very first one. Like I was a week old into AppDynamics, and it was a fantastic experience. And we continue wanting to make it even better for you guys. So this year, this segment is all new. This is the time where you guys grab your beer, sit down, sit back, and relax with what I call good quality engineering time. All right? So no marketing pitches, no slides. Maybe I'll do one recap for a candle's sake, but that's about it. All right? And I was told that we have no less than 10 hardware pieces on the stage here. Microprocessors, microcontrollers, you name it. We have about 5 communication protocols through which the live demo is going to happen. And importantly, we have at least 6 different accents. We have engineers from France, India, here, and everywhere else in the world. So it's going to be really fun to do these demos. But I need you guys' help as our engineers come directly from our labs and get those live demos going. I want you guys to stay engaged, just like the DJ got us going. And before we get started, a quick reminder from our loving legal team. They would like you guys to very much enjoy the demos, but a reminder that all of these are not committed to any formal product roadmap or any particular timeline. Right? So with that over, I want us to start thinking about what we did yesterday, a quick recap, and then that gets us into today's demos. So real quick, if there is one key takeaway for me going from yesterday, it's really around the nature of the customer's experience and how the digital experience of our customers is changing really quick. We heard from Lloyds Bank about how they view their technology as a connecting platform for all of their users, whether it is web or mobile or any of the new kiosks also they have. It's a connecting technology for them. We heard from Okta that they think of themselves as an integration platform, and it's so important for them to stay ahead of the customer's experience. My favorite was from Bill from United. Is Bill here today? There's Bill. And he said their technology vision is about making IT and making technology invisible. Right? And that's what it is about today. In this session, we have a great panel of customers that have done this. They've done it at massive scale. They've done it in their own style. And we have some live demos from AppD Labs to kind of get the visualization going and get you guys involved in what we're cooking up in the background. And to set it up, how is the end user engagement changing? For the most part today, with the exception of a few Alexas and things, we have mostly seen mobile and browser interaction. But very quickly, just in the last 2 and 3 years, and this is an area where we pay a lot of attention, just in the last few years, there's been a rapid adoption of sensors, connected hardware, and touch points for a lot of our transactions are coming from non-traditional. And when I say non-traditional, I'm already calling mobile old. Right? So there's a lot more touch points. Kendall was showing off yesterday whether it's a smart connected car or a connected home or a retail shopping experience that we're going to show you guys here. There's a lot of merger of hardware, software, and web services behind it. And this piece excites us at AppDynamics, our engineers, immensely. Because that's our mission. That's our way to look for your app surface area and kind of guess where you're going next. Look through the data that we receive and closely watch what can we build for you for the next generation. Before your customer lands into that next new experience, we want to be ready. And that's what this segment is about. And what the connected systems are bringing to us are a lot of new black boxes with them, right? So the edge computing piece is very exciting. My 5-year-old now can operate a lot of things that I've not imagined at home 5 years ago. She creates a lot more digital footprint than I did for my last 10 years, right? So these things also bring in new challenges for us. There's a lot of visibility challenges that edge computing brings. And our mission at AppD Labs, our investment into updating, whether it's machine learning, an automated RCA, or it's a quick, simple search that we're going to show off, it's all about how can we get the technology right into your hands? How can we get your feedback? David was talking about yesterday about velocity. Right? We want to break things. We want to break things fast and get that to you through our early prototypes and access programs. And that's what it is. And in the connected experience, we want to be able to see what is that end-to-end experience. If somebody hit a car button or a remote control, is the average response time, is it similar to a browser or a mobile experience? Or mentally, are our customers expecting a much faster experience? What's the baseline? How does the control map look for that? How does the flow map look for that? So that's the kind of stuff that we're working on, and we'll showcase some today.